Hello guys, today we have a new cell phone from Umidigi. This cell phone is a very good cell phone with very convincing specs. This is the Umidigi F2. Let me see if we can focus. There you go. Okay, so we have the specs on the back. And if you know, Umidigi got some trouble with the shipments of the cell phones, so they give us a pair of headphones called UPods. Okay, so we're going to open it both, but we're going to start with the cell phone itself. Let's see the inside. This cell phone, I have to say this cell phone is borrowed because a friend of mine bought it and he borrowed me his cell phone to make this happen. Okay guys, so we have the first lock. Here is a thanks card with some giveaway. Enter. Okay. So afterwards we have the cell phone itself. We're going to put it right here so we don't get any scratch in this new phone. Okay. Afterwards we have this nice letter in the world. Where we have our SIM tool and let's see if we can get it on focus. Our menu. We have our SIM tool and our menu. Okay. So we have the Umidigi and always say before the link to the world card here. We have the Umidigi charger and a cable. Very good quality, very good looking. Okay, so we're going to take this apart so we can have a look at the phone. Okay guys, so we'll continue with our unboxing and our first setup. We have the phone itself. We have a case, a really nice case that the company gave it to us. This is the first time looking at this phone, so there we have it. This is a very nice blue. You can see it's a very nice blue. We have some specs on the back that we can have here. Let me see if I can. Yeah, here they are. You can see them. And we have a dual LTE 4G and one micro SD card on this side of the phone. We have also a fingerprint scanner on the bottom, sorry, and we have our volume, and we have 3 cameras, also flash, and also sensor for more functionalities of this phone. Okay, so let's start the phone. Okay guys, so I know you love this sound, so let's let's make the sound, okay? So we have our phone, our first start. Well, let's say there is hi there. It let us select our area. We're on the States, so English. Here says connect on mobile network. Okay, so let's skip it. Okay, let me put my Wi-Fi settings. Okay guys, so there's something I have to say. We have in my house I have available a 5 gigahertz network, and it isn't showing there. So let me put my 2.4 gigahertz password so we can see what it does. Okay, so we're connecting and checking for updates. Maybe we're going to skip these updates because this video will take longer. I have to say, here in my iPhone we have the 5 gigahertz network working. Right. It's on the top, and I don't know why this cell phone doesn't show us the 5 gigahertz network. We're going basic just to start. I'm going to make a fresh start. Okay, we're going to skip all this information. Okay, see how it looks. Okay, well, it's very nice. You can look the notch. It's a very, very nice cell phone. I want to see what this camera can do versus the iPhone. Okay, so I think this is sharper. But I don't know, I will. Oh, here we have a 48 megapixel, sorry, option. And make it much sharper image. Yeah, that's very, very sharp. I don't know if you can see it, but this is very, very sharp. I'll try to leave a video with some comparisons versus the iPhone so we can look at them, okay? Okay. We have some apps, very basics. This is bare bones, so this is what we have, okay? Okay guys, here we're back. We have our cell phones here. We have in the middle our Umidigi F2. The left we have iPhone XS Max, and on the right we have Huawei P20 Lite. Okay, so we're going to run a benchmark test to see which one can run better. Okay, so I'll try to start this cell phone at the same time, so we have a comparison of them. Okay. Okay, so our iPhone have just done the task, and let's see how does our Umidigi and Huawei make the test. Okay. Okay, so our Umidigi finished first, but we have better results on our benchmarks for our Huawei. Okay, that's weird. You can see our Umidigi got better gigahertz on our cluster 1. Well, so you have the results, guys.